Welcome to Close Up on America's Business, the program that takes you inside some of the most unique and successful companies in America. I'm Janice Marie. On each edition of our show, you have the opportunity to meet some of the most innovative business leaders in the country today. You'll find out what their products, services, technologies, and business models can do for you, and what they're doing to change our world and to change the way we do business.
Well, as you can see, we're off on a trip to the movies. Only this time, we're going to do it the way more and more families all across America are doing it, by staying at home and watching a film right in our own home theater. What you are about to see is going to give you a very good idea of just how fancy and sophisticated this whole business of home theaters and home entertainment centers has become. The real key is to turn to a company that is truly well informed on what's available on the market and how to design and put it all together. A company like Home Entertainment Systems of New Jersey, one of the true experts in designing and installing everything from a fairly modest to the most sophisticated system available anywhere, as you're about to see right here. To learn what all is involved, we went to the company's Marlborough, New Jersey headquarters to meet with the company's president, Scott Bellone.
With the progression of home theater, most people, they're looking for convenience. Convenience meaning control from one area in every room. And we're big system integrators. We design whole house audio systems that work with the HVAC system, the air conditioning heating, that works with the lighting system, that works with the security system. So you can press one button, bring up all your thermostats around your home, so instead of going to each room and turning them up and turning them down, you can do it from any spot in the house.
How long does a typical project take?
A theater room takes anywhere from 6 months to a year, and the whole house audio and integration takes the same. So when we custom design a theater room, there's soundproofing involved, there's acoustic panels that have to be designed to be put in the theater themselves, there's woodwork we put in some theaters, there's the seating that we design for the theaters, the carpet, the wall sconces, the painting. So by coming to us, we design and complete the whole package, so it's less moving parts for the customer to worry about.
The goal is to make this as easy as possible by properly planning it and fully integrating everything into a very, very simple interface.
So Chris, what happens when you start with a client? What's the process?
Basically, we have things that happen when you push a button. And once we know what they want, we request a set of blueprints and we go to work at designing their system. This is where it all begins. This is our theater, 20-person theater. There'll be a projection screen, there'll be a projector, there'll be a very high-end audio system in here to recreate the theater experience. We are going to be integrating the lighting control. There is full audio distribution in here, which means basically speakers in every room. It's definitely labor intensive. However, it is extremely important to properly plan everything out at this stage rather than get surprised later.
We've gotten into another market called the MDU market, multiple dwelling units, and it's a big business that's coming down the road with all these high-rises that are going up. And they want concierge convenience, as well as keeping the labor staff down for the building itself. So we've designed systems that you can walk into your apartment, press one button, the lights come on, the air conditioning comes up, and your shades open up, and your curtains open up. You want to come down to grab a cab, instead of picking up the phone and calling Billy the doorman or your concierge person, you press a button, the amount of time you want, your cab will be waiting when you come down. The valet service for the car, you press the icon with your car on it, it sends a message to the valet, they bring your vehicle around, it's waiting for you when you come out.
Scott, how do you keep up on all the newest technology so that you know what you're recommending is the absolute latest available?
We talk a lot with the television companies such as, Pioneer, Fujitsu, Sony, Verizon with new Fios that's come out, and reading the trade magazines and going to shows and keeping up on product and trying to stay ahead of the curve makes it that much better that we're not going to put a product in that you can't expand on in 2 years, that you can't upgrade in 5 years.
Show me how the wall panel system works.
This is a touchscreen made by this company Bellone, and what this does, it's a total control that can control the TV that's behind the bar, change the channels, turn the volume up, turn the volume down. You can do everything from watching TV and queuing up your TV stations through here as well. Okay, there you go.
Cameras all around the house.
All around the house inside, so if I'm down here entertaining and here with family and friends, I can still keep an eye on my children if they get up and they wake up in their room, and then you just hit one button, it zooms in on each picture. That simple. That's as easy as it comes. The same thing too, you can control the audio system in here, so that if you wanted to listen to the stereo and music, it'll control your music. This is the lobby area that feeds into the theater room that we've done. Designed an area that's comfortable, so if you have the kids here and you want them to sit inside and watch a movie and the adults want to sit out here and talk, we've made a comfortable area here for them to sit and converse without being bothered with the sound of the theater going on.
So describe for me what is here. What are we looking at as we look all around here?
Basically, this is something that the customer had asked us to give them a 1930-esque style of theater. And using this JBL synthesis system gives you the perfect sound. Using a projector such as the Sim2 HT5000, we have given the perfect picture when it comes to HD and DVD. And then what we have here is all the wood pillars and the risers. In the row I'm sitting in is a pair of reclining seats. Your feet can come up, you can sit and rest. The row behind me has heaters, massagers, and they're totally electric automated chairs. And then behind the second row, we have a sit-up bar type area so you can put food, drinks, and another seating area. So you can fit a lot of people in this room.
Do you enjoy what you're doing? I mean, do you really like this business?
I love this business. I like to be on every job. I like to deal with every customer. When we finish a theater room and we turn that system on and I see that picture and I hear that sound, I still get excited after 12 years of being in business to see how it came out, to see how it sounds, and to see how it works.
And there you are, a look at the latest in entertainment systems from the home from the experts at Home Entertainment Systems of New Jersey. I'm Doug Llewellyn reporting from Marlboro, New Jersey.
Well, that does it for this edition of Close Up on America's Business. I'm Janice Marie. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.